Right, hello. Welcome to HeatingGeeks. This is a video I shot before the coronavirus stuff took effect. Still on lockdown, but I was just way too scruffy. This is a video I shot back in early March. Schools were still open, and it was a school that contacted me to say they had no hot water. And when I arrived, they also informed me that the classrooms are always cold in this particular building in the mornings. So obviously remember my motto, KISS, keep it simple, stupid. That's exactly what I did here, and I fixed it nice and quickly and resolved both issues. A couple of days later the school closed, but at least I got it working for a couple of days. With all of this stuff going on, there's a school out there with no hot water, so that's what we're going to go and fix today, and you're coming along for the ride. Paperwork before I can go. Injector cleaners, get on with that, then I'll hit the road. Okay, so this is what I was faced with. The warning notice on there is something I put on there a few months ago, which is actually regarding the fact that the shell of this is leaking water, not really a gas related problem. So you can all just relax about that. Okay, so also I want you to notice that the fuse spur is off on the wall. So initially I thought that I just needed to turn that spur on, and maybe someone had turned it off because of the label I'd attached, which obviously was actually to do with a water leak as opposed to a gas problem. This is why the school's cold. 7:30 it thinks it is. Alright, so as you see there, really simple fault, easy to repair by keeping it simple. Like, subscribe, click the bell icon, doesn't cost you anything, and the analytics do great things for me. So really appreciate it. Thanks a lot. I'll see you on the next one.